Your vision statement. It's now 5 years in the future. What are the most significant things you have accomplished in terms of your F.I.R.E.S personal strategic plan? What amazing transformation has occurred in you these past 5 years? Second, consider how you managed your time, talents, and resources to balance the demands of your spiritual, external, relational, internal, and financial F.I.R.E.S over the last 5 years. Describe, in hindsight, any changes you would now like to make. Third, summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Consider how your vision of the future addresses your F.I.R.E.S refinement problem statement. Identify anything that encourages you to leap out of bed each morning. This is your F.I.R.E.S refinement vision statement.